If you are looking for an organizer to store all your ship model making tools, this OcCre workshop cabinet is an excellent choice. Let's quickly go over what's included in the kit. Inside, you will find 5 plastic organizers, assembly instructions, the OcCre Model catalog. By the way, I plan to build all their models, and laser cut engineering wood pieces along with other smaller parts. After removing the wood pieces, I used regular carpenter glue to assemble them. You may want to use masking tape to hold the pieces in place while the glue dries. Thanks to the well-engineered assembly design and the precise laser cutting, everything came together seamlessly. The entire build was straightforward and smooth. Here, I'm cutting the handles for the plastic organizers. I used the Weldbond multi-surface adhesive to attach the wooden handles to the organizers. You can also use regular white glue, securing the handles with masking tape until they dry. Next, I'm installing the Velcro strip onto the ship model hull holder. I really like the design of the ship building tray. It is a 4-point holder and the holders are super easy to be adjusted. Plus, you can store small parts in the tray while you're working on the model. Finally, I'm working on the drill bit holder, and I really appreciate this thoughtful design. Now, I can easily organize and find all my tiny drill bits. It is time to reorganize all my ship model making tools and gadgets. Well, my workspace is now more orderly and the tools are easier to find, so I can focus on creating better models. Thanks for watching and see you next time.